Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Nissan Sentra versus the Nissan Sunny. We'll explore their key differences and similarities to help you decide which compact sedan might be a better fit for your needs. While both are popular choices, their target markets and specific features vary significantly. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for making an informed decision about your next vehicle purchase. The Nissan Sentra, often found in North American markets, generally boasts a more refined driving experience. It frequently includes advanced driver assistance systems like automatic emergency braking and blind spot warning. You'll also find a more powerful engine, often around 149 horsepower, providing a bit more zip. Its interior usually offers a more upscale feel with improved materials and technology features. Conversely, the Nissan Sunny, popular in regions like Asia and the Middle East, emphasizes affordability and robust reliability. It typically comes with a smaller, more fuel-efficient engine, often producing around 99 horsepower, making it economical for daily commutes. The Sunny's design prioritizes practicality, offering ample interior space and a comfortable ride, which is highly valued in its target markets. Ultimately, your choice between the Nissan Sentra and Nissan Sunny depends on your priorities. If you value advanced safety, a more powerful engine, and a premium interior, the Sentra is likely your best bet. However, if affordability, excellent fuel economy, and practical spaciousness are paramount, the Sunny stands out. Both are reliable, but cater to different needs. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.